CPI National Council meeting took place at Nagpur in 3 days, and we adopted a resolution about the All India political situation. That prepared draft, we are going to submit at the Pondicherry All India Congress. So the draft discussed in an elaborate way. Mainly stressed that the Sangh Parivar and BJP, RSS, they are provocating the communal tension. At the same time, they are closing all the labor laws, and they are opening doors the foreign direct investments. So one kind of they are ruining our national economic situation, political situation, and the communal tension. And all these things we discussed, and we wanted to present this report there. And we were to solve this issue. The left is alone can tackle these issues. So we are approaching all left parties, and even CPI went up to that communist reunification should be there, so that people will get confidence, and they can come forward to fight for the secularism, and they can fight against the communal political party like BJP. So that is the main discussions took place there. And secondly, here in KCR, the TRS government, they wanted to introduce his history in the school syllabus. So we don't have objection to introduce Nizam Nawab rule, but at the same time, how they fought with the workers, how the Telangana armed struggle fought against the Nizam rule, that should be also mentioned. If it is not mentioned about its atrocities and also revolutionary struggle against the Jars, it will not fulfill the syllabus. And thirdly, this Chandrababu Naidu is advocating Sangh Parivar's policies that you conceive 3 or 4 or 5 children each family. So once when he was Chief Minister, he prominently promoted family planning. If they have more than 2 or 3, you don't have any work except the sons of the children. Like that is ridiculous. Now, after Sangh Parivar's mind, he wanted to close the Sangh Parivar. He is also preaching about against the family planning and advising all families to produce more children. That means he will not implement by himself, but he is asking to implement others. So this is one kind of opportunistic role, and he wanted to sovereignize the Sangh Parivar's blessings. She is playing that. It is against the secularism, against the democracy, against the democratic rule. So we condemn it.